Okay, for your marinade, you're going to combine all your ingredients in a bowl. It doesn't matter the order, but really, vegetable broth, soy sauce, garlic, your yellow onions, Dijon mustard, your dried cilantro. You could use fresh cilantro if you don't have dried, and your Chipotle chilies with the sauce. Adobo? Is that how you say it? And yeah, mix it all up. Yeah, so then you're going to prepare your tofu and marinate it in the marinade. A couple hours at least, and then you can broil, bake it, barbecue it. I have a separate video on how to prep your tofu. If you need to watch that, you can. And there's the finished steaks.